today we are going to be doing a spoil our dog. This is Chloe and we've had her for a little over a month, and today we're going to be spoiling her. So first we are going to be headed over to Starbucks to get her the famous puppuccino, which is basically a cup with just whipped cream in it. It's completely safe for dogs, and we're a dessert first kind of family, so we'll get started with that. So I think the plan is at Petco we're gonna get her one treat from the puppy bar, one new toy, and maybe an outfit or something like that. Maybe not, I don't know. And then we need to get her a new collar because she's almost outgrown her first one that we got her when she was a tiny puppy. And we're gonna get her one of those fob things that have your puppy's name and a phone number in case something happens to them. And then
lizard food.
Yeah, we do need to get lizard food for Odin. Can't be just about you. We have to get your brother some food. Do you have the two top and oblique copies?
Yeah. We get a puppuccino too.
A puppuccino, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Here's that for you.
Thank you.
Oh, she knows. It's for me. Chloe, come here. Come here. Come here. This is what they look like. And then I'll have that other one in just one moment.
Okay. She's loving it.
Are you guys fine being on video?
What?
Are you guys fine being on video?
Yes.
Okay.
That's so cute. It's so fluffy.
I'm just glad she's not biting. She's teething, so she's
Yeah,
just
that's
has to bite
okay.
everything.
Mine is still teething, and she's like twice as big as her.
Oh really?
Oh my goodness.
Alright, so now we're just gonna try and find a toy that she likes. At home we don't really have a ton of toys because we've found that her favorite toys are just plastic water bottles. So we just give her a bunch of those when we get finished using them. But we'll just see what she likes. If she's obsessed with something under there, she's not even obsessed with the toys. Let's maybe come back over here. Here, come here. I think the Kong would be good. These,
Okay.
the brand is really heavy duty,
Mm-hmm.
so that would work. You want this one? You want that one?
Yeah, sure.
Look how big these are. Like,
Holy.
the ones that we got her are like these tiny ones right there.
Yeah.
And they have like massive ones. Who would, which dog would even
Should we go get
play
her
with that?
collar?
Yeah,
Probably like a Great Dane or something.
that's true. Or a husky. Again, and we were like, your dog is so cool.
Sweetheart, oh my gosh. How old is this?
She's a little corgi and she's 15 weeks old.
15 weeks. Oh, what a beauty. Oh my god. Oh, so wanna puppy so much. Oh, what a beauty. Oh, so cute.
If we had our own house, we'd get a husky. So
Yeah, we want a husky someday.
Oh
Be careful.
my gosh.
They literally had the coolest husky ever. We actually saw that one in the parking lot and we thought it was really cool, so they let us pet it, and then they were...
thank you. You can pet her if you want.
Can I pet her?
Yeah, or her, yeah.
Hi! Oh, she is happy. How
Yeah.
old is? Oh my gosh. Well, thanks for letting us
Yeah,
pet
of
Chloe.
course.
She's
Yeah.
a doll. Okay. Sorry. I don't know what
Are you
size.
still recording?
Yeah.
So, yeah, that husky's so cool. Bo's talked about getting one, so we might get one when we
The
have
dream
a house.
dog.
Yeah, dream dog. Okay, harnesses. Do we want a collar or harness?
Probably get a harness.
Harness. Okay.
They choke the dog less.
Yes. But she's like, I just want to say
Oh,
hi.
I know.
I like the color.
Hi, we want to say hi too. We'll say hi. Hi.
It's a nice orange.
That is, yeah. We'll be able to see her, like,
the bow
from
tie on it.
ways away.
That is so cute. Hey, come here. Come here.
Test run.
I don't know how to put them on.
Hey.
Come here.
Then I like super you.
I think it looks like this.
I think it goes under one. Oh, maybe you're right.
Like a jacket. And it buckles.
She all whines like we're hurting her.
I promise we are not hurting her. What do you think?
Look at this black one.
It's actually kind of perfect. Could be loosened, but it's actually kind of good. Let us know in the comments if we're putting this on wrong. But yeah, actually I think we are, because
$27.
there's the latches down here, so that needs to be above them.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we decided on this for the toy, this for the collar, which she can grow into this a lot, and now a treat. We know for a fact she likes the chicken from Zook's, but I don't know, I kind of want to try something else for her. What do you think? Do we
Maybe we
be
should
safe?
get her something to chew on.
Chew on?
Actually, they have the little happy birthday things.
Oh, she
It's not her birthday. Okay, we'll get
That-
a little happy birthday treat.
That looks really good for them. Okay. And then do we get her more of the chicken, or
Nah, we got plenty, I
Okay.
think.
I think we have one bag left. Awesome.
Cool.
Alright, are you happy with your stuff?
Have a good
Thank you.
one.
Have a good one. I don't know if you guys can see it, but she got a little treat from the cashier, and it's literally in her mouth. She's not eating it, she just has it in her mouth. But it's always fun bringing Chloe in public because everyone just loves her. And I'm so glad. I told Bo when we got her, I just want everyone to enjoy her, and like, not everyone can have a dog or have puppy snuggles, so we try to let as many people as possible love on her. And give you your cookie. Do you want your cookie? Oh. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, she's like, my mouth is already occupied with a bone. Come here, look. Do you want it? She's totally interested in her birthday cookie. He's like, I'm on the counter. There's plenty of other things to do. Do you want it? This was a bell. You want it? It smells like it's, what is that?
Gingerbread?
Gingerbread, yeah. Oh, yes. Well, that was very underwhelming. I thought she would, like,
Maybe
dive
we set
into
her
it.
down.
Maybe.
Just go set her down.
Okay.
Over to where usual spot is.
Doesn't that look good though?
Mm-hmm. I'd eat that 100%. It's got sprinkles and everything on
I
it.
know. Looks so good.
She's making a mess. You're making a mess.
She's so precious. Well guys, thank you so much for joining us today as we spoiled Chloe. It's been really fun having a dog. We've dreamed about having a dog for a while. We've been married for almost 4 years and we just barely got her about a month ago. So we appreciate you joining us. Today is my birthday, so we will have another video coming tonight that we'll film for my birthday. But thank you guys so much for joining us, and we hope that you're staying safe and that you're finding peace during this time. So thank you so much. Bye!
Bye.